We are week 3, day 3, DLR, and it says, our class are doing a play called All My Friends Have Four Legs. I see something that jumps right out at me grammatically. We got a title here. So what do we need to do for a title? And by the way, what symbol do we use, Brody, to show that you need to capitalize something?
I didn't know, so I thought the ones that I know like what to remove them. I didn't know if it was like the same one.
I'm going to show you right here. Ready? Look up here. All my friends, 3 lines under the letter tells you that all those things need capitalized. I want you guys to do that little edit right now while you're sitting there. All my friends have 4 legs. I love that title, by the way.
I think that's very
I think he means that he likes dogs. Our class is doing a play called. All right, shouldn't it be is, not are? Our class are doing a play. Shouldn't that be is, Bryn? Our class is doing a play called All My Friends Have Four Legs. All right, so it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 corrections for that one. It is the most we've had. All right. So what is our mantra again, Xander? What do we do? Read, edit, and write. So we did the reading and the editing, right? Now you guys write it out. Hold them up. Let me see your handwriting. Let's see how it's working. Good. Okay. Ready for this? Let's look at the next one. My teacher, Mrs. Brown, asked me to be one of the main characters. My teacher, what do we need? What symbol do we need to do to show? What do we need? No, no quotations. Yeah, so what symbol do I need to show that you need to capitalize Mrs. Brown? Emily. 3 lines. So, my teacher, Mrs. Brown, asked me to be one of the main characters. Okay? Oh, I see something. I bet you. I wonder if any of you got this right. This is a tough one. This is a tough one. Do we need the apostrophe in characters? No. Because it's not showing possession. It's not a contraction. Okay? Did anybody actually find that one? You did? Who did? Chevy? Good. A couple people. Oh, good. All right. So on this one, we had 1, 2, 3 corrections. All right. Let's take a look at this one where it says add punctuation. Ready? I am glad you asked me, I said to Mrs. Brown. I would love to be in the play. This is going to be hard. All right. I am glad you asked me, comma, right? I said to Mrs. Brown, comma, I would love to be in the play. What do we need at the end of it? Period. So who can tell me where the tagline is? The part of this sentence that tell you who is speaking. Who can tell me the tagline? Emily. All right, who can tell me the speaking parts? What parts are actually being spoken, Aiden? Right? Who can tell me what to highlight that shows us that someone's speaking? What punctuation indicates that? Rocco. No, these are quotation marks, right? Quotations, and they're right here and here. What separates the tagline from the speaking part? Trace. What separates the tagline from the speaking part? What are those? Commas. Very good. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Write the word that correctly completes the complex sentence. Where I got my costume, I was surprised to see a bunny suit. When I got my costume, I was surprised to see a bunny suit. Why I got my costume, I was surprised to see a bunny suit. Which one works there? O'Brien.
When.
All right, there you have it. Week 3, day 3, DLR in the books. Tadero out.